When painted marine surfaces and Gelcoat require strong correction with refined control, you need a compound that delivers performance without compromise. RUPES MARINE XC-300 fast cut compound was created for exactly this purpose. Hello, I'm Andrea Bruciaferri, Field Test Engineer at RUPES. Last year, we launched our new marine line dedicated to the boating industry, and today I'm here to officially introduce Marine XC-300, one of the key solutions in the marine range, developed to deliver efficiency and outstanding results on painted surfaces and Gelcoat. Marine XC-300 is a fast-cut compound designed for the removal of P1200 and P1500 or finer sanding marks on painted boats and production Gelcoat. It is a high-performance solution engineered to restore surface to a brilliant gloss, making it ideal for demanding marine detailing and surface preparation tasks. This compound is specifically optimized for painted marine surfaces, where it delivers excellent defect removal and gloss enhancement while still performing effectively on Gelcoat, including oxidized surfaces. Whether working in boat yards or detailing environments, Marine XC-300 ensures consistent correction and a refined finish. To suit every working need, Marine XC-300 is available in three sizes: 500mm, 1 kg and 4.5 kg, offering flexibility and reliability across different applications. With rotary polishers, Marine XC-300 works effectively with several wool pad options, allowing the operator to choose the most suitable setup based on the level of correction needed. Rotary twisted wool pads deliver the highest cutting action in the RUPES range and are the preferred solution whether maximum defect removal is the priority. Rotary cut and finish wool pads combine strong correction with an improved finishing result, while rotary flat wool pads sit in between, offering a balanced mix of cut and finish. Marine XC-300 is equally effective when used with dual-action polishers. For this type of application, the ideal match is the DA coarse wool pads, which are specifically developed to correct significant paint defects and quickly address the most evident imperfections. For smaller areas and detail work, Marine XC-300 can also be used with Bigfoot Hybrid Nano 2, taking advantage of its full variety of movements and functional units, to work precisely even in the most difficult to reach areas. At the end of all the steps, to complete the job in the best possible way, we recommend using our Bigfoot Blue microfiber cloths, ideal for removing every residue and enhancing the final result to the fullest. Marine XC-300 is therefore the RUPES solution designed for those who need a compound capable of combining strong cutting performance, refined finishing ability and consistent reliability, especially on painted marine surfaces, even in the most demanding conditions of the marine industry. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. Stay with us to discover all the videos in our marine line. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications bell so you do not miss the next videos. Ciao! And one more thing, don't forget to download the RUPES app, where you can find the marine brochure and much more. The app is available on the Play Store and the App Store. Download it now. Ciao!